Wakili Danstan Omari amesema kuwa serikali inataka kumuhusisha mchungaji Ezekiel Odero wa New Life International Church na mauaji ya Shakahola ili waweze kuchukua mali yake.
KRA has put it very clearly that all the returns have been given. It is witch hunt, it is religious witch hunt, it is political witch hunt, it is people who are planning on how they will take Pastor Ezekiel to be jailed in the ICC court. That's why they brought up issue of genocide. It is the people who want Pastor Ezekiel to be jailed on terrorism. That's a lifetime imprisonment. It is the same people who want him charged for mass murder so that they can acquire this property. So the question is that a concerted effort to link Pastor Ezekiel to Mackenzie should stop. Here we are in the church of Pastor Ezekiel, which is 200 kilometers away from Mackenzie's place. So we are putting them to notice that if anybody is salivating to take these properties, you are cheated. Look at the types of lawyers ready to defend the pastor and the properties of the church.